Massmart was founded as the South African branch of Dutch retailer Makro. It also trades as a game, Builders Warehouse, Dion Wired, Cambridge and CBW. It is now 51% held by Walmart and has a market cap of 36 billion rand, a dividend yield of 2.3% and a price to earnings ratio of 35 there. Massmart, Paul, it has been in the news with regards to the whole Walmart deal and all of that.
Yeah, look, and personal disclosure, I own the stock and all of our clients own the stock as well. Out of the retailers, we picked it up about, I don't know, nearly a decade ago. In those days, Mark Lamberti had just managed to get it out of the Wooltrue structure. And it was early days. They didn't even have any of these now new big brands they have. So for us, it was the inventor of the big box retailer model. And basically, you can see, you know, Dion Wired is a knockoff of Best Buy. Builders Warehouse is a knockoff of Home Depot and of Lowe's in America. You know, Makro is a knockoff in effect at that scale of the Walmart store. So we liked that model and we thought that over time they could evolve. We were obviously thrilled when Walmart arrived and offered what looked like a big price at the time. That was like quite a big issue. It took like 18 months and in fact it's not completely done yet. Now it's kind of establishing a new base, but we are very positive about this group here.
Walmart, Massmart wanting to get into Kenya. Your thoughts on this Walmart strategy into Africa?
Yeah, they're definitely going to make a go of it. I have no doubt of that. But so far, you know, I think the expected benefits from Walmart have been a bit naive. You know, if you talk about the procurement savings, you know, Massmart already sourcing from the same factories in China as Walmart. You know, I guess the patented Walmart everyday low pricing is still, you know, in question whether or not it will work in a South African context. You know, we as a society, you know, we like our high-low pricing, we like our specials. So, you know, Walmart's, you know, the Walmart effect still need to take shape.
Paul, let's look at the Rhino cash and carry. That's a pretty new acquisition, and it's yielding some good returns for them.
Yeah, look, the cash and carry business was always a part of the group with CBW, which is, you know, also in places like Lesotho and so on. The other operator in that niche, which I think deserves more attention than they get, is currently called Cambridge. So what that is, it's a low-end kind of basic foodstuffs brand which has been built to be accessed in high-traffic areas like taxi ranks and the likes. So that is a big push for the Massmart group, and I think they're going to go into that one in a big way, because obviously there are price points in this game. You know, you've got to serve customers depending on what kind of goods they're looking for and where they're shopping. So I think that's got great potential here, and I think also that's got great potential elsewhere up into Africa, because you know, there are a lot of customers in that price bracket in places like Nigeria and so on. Yeah.
Let's look at the Massmart share price here, Paul. Not like Pick and Pays. It's somewhat of a upward trend.
Yeah, this is the 3-year chart, so you don't get the full sense of where it was some years ago, but it's kind of made its way along, and this is around the level where the Massmart Walmart deal was announced. So you can see it bounces there and then it drifts that way for a year while people are waiting to see if the deal gets closed. Once it was clear then that the group wasn't going to be delisted in its entirety, then it goes up higher into the 180 type of area. And since then, bouncing along. Look, Anthony's right. For all of the hype and excitement, the earnings at the moment are a little bit slender for a share trading at 170, 180 Rand a share.
No, definitely. I think what the share price is telling you is that there are some short-term headwinds. You know, I like the Cambridge model. I think it's going to eventually work, but you know, it takes longer for a Cambridge store to turn profitable, longer than it takes for a game or say a Makro. And management have admitted that you know, it's taken them longer than they expect. So, you know, a few short-term headwinds that we see for the stock. We wouldn't be immediate buyers, but still a great management team. This is a heavyweight champion, you know, of the retail sector.
So pretty mixed there, but hot or not on Massmart?
At this stage of the game, not.
Not hot there. Paul, hot or not Massmart?
Yeah, I'll concede the valuations are a bit stretched, but I think with all of those brands, you know, we haven't really talked about Builders Warehouse. Whoa, that big home improvement thing is huge. And the Africa thing, and that huge Bentonville giant, Walmart, pushing them, looking to access this billion-strong African consumer over the next few decades. Definitely hot for me.